No, no, no. So today you had meeting with Alex, and even your MP has arrived here.
Alex is our MLA. There's no meeting with Alex. We are having a cup of coffee.
Yeah, so what was the discussion about? Anything about yesterday? Whatever the earthquake has you have faced?
We'll see. You are seeing what all is happening.
Yes, sir.
So events are unfolding. So you'll see what all will happen. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, you have come from the center.
It is on the assembly. now.
How do you see about all this thing happening in Goa?
I think whatever has been happening here, things are well within the control, and wherever anything needs to be done, the Congress Legislature Party and the Pradesh Congress Committee will sit together and decide what needs to be done.
Any strong action against people who have attempted to defect?
I have just now mentioned very categorically that as and when whatever things need to be decided, the Congress Legislature Party and the Pradesh Congress Committee will take a decision as to what needs to be done.
तुम्ही आज मेळ्ळे तुमचे MP येयल्या स्पेशल कारण बोवाळ चल्ला सगळीकडे डिफेक्ट जाता तुमचेंय नाव येयलें खंय तरी सो आतां मिटिंगेन कितें डिस्कस जालें तुमचें हय
Adam Tomge personal friend. When I was in Youth Congress, he was All India Youth Congress president. I heard he was here for lunch. I had lunch in the assembly. But he called, I can meet him.
Okay, sir, what do you want to say? The action the party has taken against the your MLA, Digambar Kamath, and your CLP leader,
I'm honestly not aware of any action.
Michael.
Honestly,
You
I only know that Michael was removed as
leader of
Leader of opposition.
not leader, as CLP leader.
CLP. Sorry, CLP.
CLP.
Yes.
पण सर तुम्ही साईन केला नाही सर त्या रेझोल्युशनाच्या
On that CLP,
की
Yeah, CLP leader, he decided to remove him. We have all signed.
you also signed, no? Okay.
तुमचे सर नाव येता हेजे हे कशें पळयता तुमी इवन आजुनी मेरेन तुमचें नाव येतालें
Although I am telling you again, all this hype, all this sensation is primarily being created by the media. You all have been saying for the last so many days that Congress is splitting. It is not split. So I don't know why you all are talking of defections and this and that. Who has defected?
then why there is
Why
a
the
action
action
against
against-
your leaders only
Which leader?
Michael Lobo and Digambar
I have no
Kamath
leader.
Michael Lobo and
Miss-
leader.
Okay, why there is actions against the two MLAs from
That
Congress?
you,
That
that
is
you have to ask the
Digambar Kamath
party
and
leaders.
Michael Lobo.
I don't know of any action against Digambar Kamath.
nothing related to defection it is as
I
per
have
you
no idea about any action against
There is
Digambar
a
Kamath.
petition filed before the speaker by the GPC, Congress party
GPCC
stating that they have
president.
to take the actions because they are the involved in the anti-party activities.
I don't know. And they have not told me anything.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.